Iran is a country filled with rich tradition and history dating back to thousands of years ago. Sure, the country may not be the largest or have the most people in it, but it sure makes up for all that with a historically rich-filled civilization. Persian antiquities that include pottery vessels, metal objects, textiles, books, and coins. Also, an amazing ceramic figure which dates back to 9,000 years ago. This is jaw-dropping. I want you to actually picture yourself 2,500 years ago. How on good God's earth was this carving etched into the side of this wall 2,500 years ago? The museum is filled with so many different artifacts ranging from necklaces to ceramic containers, bracelets, and amazing carvings. The museum draws tourists from all over the world. These two statues basically speak for themselves. The first is a bronze statue of a soldier with severed limbs, and the second is a stone, headless statue of King Dariush.